Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first time you're coming to the channel, I say a very big welcome to you. And don't forget to click on the notification button and also copy our video link to share for others so that they can benefit from these videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to copy the link also and share to people they need it so that they can get also benefit. You know what I mean? And again, I will always tell you, if you're looking for a place to buy your skincare recipe, or you're looking for a place to buy your organic product, or you buy whatever you might call it, some people call it recipes, some call it ingredient, or you want to buy a cosmetic, you can always count on us. Yes, we don't sell all this fake materials. No, we don't sell it. All the items we sell, it's original, and we ship everywhere, worldwide. When I mean worldwide, we ship worldwide, and just 4 days it's got to you wherever you are through DHL. 4 days. That is that. If you want to know about anything, you are very free to send us a message or drop your comment. Any of the product you want to know about, fine, send to us. Or you want us to make a special video for you, just drop your comment for us. We'll always listen. This is where we listen to our audience. If not for you, there would have been no us. If not for you, so I appreciate all of you. Once again, I say welcome to AYA Cosmetic. So today we'll be looking at a very good item, a very good product we can use to treat our pimples. Yes, a very good product we can use to treat our acne, or let me say pimples. And like as I said earlier, a lot of people, they don't even know their skin type. Yes, it doesn't really matter when they say skin type. How do you know your skin type? You should know your skin type. It's the number one thing. If you're having a dry skin, or if you have an oily skin, you should know. You understand? Those are some of the things that you can easily know about your body. Like me, I know my face is always oil. You see, I can remember months back when I tried to deal with my face. I tried to deal with my face to see if I can stop this oil. It's very funny that you want to stop this oil. It's a natural thing, you understand, because that's how you being creative. Because the excess of cell that generate this oil in my body, like, how do I want to reduce them? So it's very funny. I said, no, that's not the solution. The solution is that when they bring whatever acne they want to bring because of maybe excess of the oil, fine, I think I should be able to have a solution for it. And what is that solution? That's why I try to find out what I will be using for my face, and it's no other thing than this. I tell you, this is it. Yes, clean cap gel. You see, clean cap gel. It's nothing else. Clean cap gel. With this clean cap gel, I tell you, you can really use this to remove oil, to remove pimples, acne from your face. Yes, it's real talk. I'm not deceiving you. Unless if you go get the fake one. Don't get the fake one. If you get the right one, you might use the cream. You might use the cream of it, but I use the gel. Are you getting it? And let me show you how it looks like, because a lot of people, they don't know how it even look like, but let me show you how it look like. This is how it look like. It's a tube. This is how it look like. Are you getting it? Clean cap gel. And let me show you how you're going to use it. In a quick one, I want to show you how you're going to use it. You see it? And this is how you would use it. First of all, in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, if you know you're not going anywhere, wash your face, do a very proper scrub to your face. Are you getting it? Yes, exfoliate your face. I keep telling everybody this. It doesn't mean because it worked for someone the way he or she applies to your face, then it's gonna work for you that way. Now, it might even cause you more damages. You see, So what you do, You wash your face when you wash your face in the morning, also in the night. Also, when you wash your face clearly, clean the face, dry your face, then you apply this not all over the face, but rather apply to the affected area. You see, that is what I use in there. You see, that's what you need. So you apply to the affected area, just the affected area. You know, guys, I always want to make the ladies more beautiful, not more than the guys, but I always want to make them more beautiful. So that's why I'm dropping this secret, because I see a lot of ladies like I don't know, they have this acne mush in the face, so I'm giving you solution. Please mind you, I did not say you should mix it to your lotion. I didn't say that. Because a lot of people they feel maybe it's just for treatment. No, not okay. If you no, I won't say add it to your. Let's go straight down to the fact. Don't add it to your lotion. I know a lot of people. A lot of people, they invent. I mean, they formulate different things every day. You put your clean cap, fine. But yeah, I want it to be more effective. Do this thing I'm telling you. Apply to the affected area, morning, evening, morning, evening, morning, evening. You'll see what I'm telling you. Before you know it, this acne, pimples, whatever it is dried off. When it's dried off, fine, then you can stop using it. Don't abuse it by putting your lotions and all that. I know a lot of people, you that is doing it, to yourself, you that create that formula, giving it to your customers as a face added to face cream for them, you know what I'm saying. But if you want this thing to work very well, fine. I know some people, they don't like the gel. I know some people, gel react to your body, because the gel is ×2 of the cream. So I will advise you, don't use the gel, then use the cream. We have the gel and the cream, so use the cream. You can use the cream, go for the cream. What you just need to do is still the same method. Sometimes what I do, I wash my face with hot water. Warm water. Sorry to say, I'll do the warm water. I get in the warm water, I exfoliate very well. They clean my face, and I apply this as it is. I apply this to the affected area. Are you getting it? First of all, and it works for all skin type. Don't say no. Whether your face is dry or oily, because basically whatever caused all this is this mostly my oil face. Yes, it caused me pimples, but I can tell you, hardly before I get pimples, because of the way I treat my face. That will be another topic for another day. Hardly before I come in and you see my face, I get some breakouts from my face. Hardly. So now that I've told you how you can get rid of that acne in your face. This is the secret. Are you getting it? Don't be deceived. You can use the other one, the cream, but for me, I use the gel. You see, I use the gel. So it's very good. Don't say it doesn't work for me. It works a lot. Very good. Don't let anybody deceive you. It works a lot. Try this. Come on, give it a try. You will say because this person uses it doesn't. No, you give it a try. Unless if you use the fake one. If you go use the fake one, oh sorry, that is where we're gonna tell you it's not good. If you use the fake one, it go appear like it's gonna give you more of the effect that it's gonna give you pimples, more of it. So please don't use the fake one, or it's gonna give you more defect in your face, like some other some other acne. So if you want your acne to go, use this. Give it a try. Look at it, give it a try. And if you want to know the original also, look closely. You know the original. There's something in it. I don't want to say it. There's something in it. If you want to know about that, you can shout me. I will tell you what it is. So that is how you can cure your pimples or cure your acne in your face. And let me tell you, it's not for whitening or for glowing. No, but it will help to remove your acne from your face. So that is how to use it. You can use it whatever way they teach you, but all I tell you is this: it works. So once again, you're welcome to our channel, and if you have any comment, you can leave it below. If you have anything you want to know, you can leave it below, your comment below, so that we can easily attend to you. So that is what we do in here. We educate you, and like as I said, I ain't fighting with nobody. We're all at peace. So one love to you, my people. Until we meet again, we remain AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Trust me, you're always welcome.